Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am great, thank you. I made a very nice salad for lunch today, with tomatoes, cheese, and a little olive oil. And you, Jake?
I am okay, but I am a little hungry. I didn't eat enough for breakfast this morning.
Oh no, what did you eat?
Just one piece of toast. No eggs, no fruit, just toast and coffee.
That isn't enough, Jake. You need more than that.
I know. I woke up late. I didn't have enough time to cook.
Well, you just said something very interesting.
I did?
Yes, you said a little hungry and not enough. Those are quantifiers.
Quantifiers? What are quantifiers?
Quantifiers are words that tell us how much or how many, like a little, a few, a lot of, enough, too much.
Oh, I use those words all the time, but I never knew they had a special name.
Today, we are going to learn all of them, and we are going to learn which ones to use and when.
That sounds very useful. I sometimes mix them up.
Don't worry, after today, you won't mix them up anymore. But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. Jake, before we learn our quantifiers, we need to understand one important thing. In English, there are two types of nouns.
Two types of nouns?
Yes, some nouns you can count, like apples. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. You can put a number in front of them.
Okay, that is easy.
We call these countable nouns. Countable, Countable. Countable. You can count them.
Countable nouns, like eggs, books, friends, chairs.
Exactly, but some nouns you can't count, like water. You can't say 1 water, 2 waters.
Oh, right. You say a glass of water or some water.
That's right. We call these uncountable nouns. Uncountable. Uncountable. Uncountable.
Can you give me more examples of uncountable nouns?
Sure. Water, rice, sugar, milk, bread, time, money. You can't put a number directly in front of them.
So not 3 rices, but 3 bowls of rice.
Perfect. You got it. Now, here's why this matters. Some quantifiers work with countable nouns, some work with uncountable nouns, and some work with both.
Okay, I am ready. Let's learn them.
Let's start with an easy one. A lot of. It means a big amount, a large number or quantity. And the best part? A lot of works with both, countable and uncountable.
Both. That is nice. One phrase for everything.
Yes, a lot of. A-L-O-T, of. A lot of. You can say, I have a lot of friends. Friends is countable.
I have a lot of friends. Good.
And you can say, I drink a lot of water. Water is uncountable.
I drink a lot of water.
See? Same phrase, it works everywhere. Let me give you a few more examples. She has a lot of books. There is a lot of traffic today. We have a lot of homework.
Let me try. I eat a lot of pasta.
Of course you do, but your sentence is perfect.
And I spend a lot of money on coffee.
Also probably true. Both sentences are excellent. A lot of is your best friend. You don't need to worry about countable or uncountable.
I like a lot of. It is simple.
Now let's learn a tricky pair. A few and a little. Both mean a small amount, but they are different.
Different how?
A few is for countable nouns, things you can count. A little is for uncountable nouns, things you can't count.
So a few apples, but a little water?
Exactly. Let's start with a few. A few. A-F-E-W. A few. Use it with countable nouns. I have a few friends in London. It means a small number. Not zero, but not a lot.
A few friends. So maybe 3 or 4?
Yes, a small number. There are a few cookies left in the box. I need a few minutes.
A few cookies, a few minutes. Things I can count.
Right. Now, a little. A little. A-L-I-T-T-L-E. A little. Use it with uncountable nouns. I need a little sugar for my coffee. I have a little time before work.
A little sugar, a little time. Things I can't count.
You got it. Now here's the big mistake many learners make. They say a few water or a little friends.
Oh no, I think I have done that before.
Many people do. It is a very common mistake. Just remember, a few goes with countable nouns. A little goes with uncountable nouns.
Let me try some sentences. I have a few eggs in my fridge.
Perfect. Eggs are countable.
And I have a little milk.
Excellent. Milk is uncountable. See? You already understand the rule.
It is easier than I thought. Count the thing, use a few. Can't count it, use a little.
That is a perfect way to remember it. Let me test you with a quick game. I'll say a noun and you tell me a few or a little.
Okay, let's do it.
Cheese.
A little cheese. Cheese is uncountable.
Bananas.
A few bananas. Bananas are countable.
Homework.
A little homework? You can't say 1 homework, 2 homeworks.
That's right. Homework is uncountable. I have a little homework tonight. Very good.
What about bread? Is bread countable?
Good question. Bread is uncountable. You can't say 2 breads. You say 2 pieces of bread or 2 slices of bread.
So I have a little bread at home.
Exactly. But I have a few slices of bread because slices is countable.
Oh, that is interesting. The same food, but different words change the quantifier.
Yes, that is a very smart observation, Jake. Now, let's talk about 2. Sometimes you have more than you need. More than is good. We use too much or too many for this.
Like when I drink too much coffee?
Exactly like that. Too much is for uncountable nouns. Too much. T-O-O-M-U-C-H. Too much. Too much coffee, too much sugar, too much noise.
Too much noise. I know that feeling. My neighbor plays loud music sometimes.
That isn't fun. Now, too many is for countable nouns. Too many. T-O-O-M-A-N-Y. Too many. Too many people, too many mistakes, too many emails.
Too many emails. That is my life every Monday morning.
I think everyone feels that way on Monday. So the rule is the same pattern. Uncountable nouns get too much, countable nouns get too many.
Let me try. I ate too many cookies last night.
Good. Cookies are countable.
And I put too much butter on my toast this morning.
That's right. Butter is uncountable. Very good, Jake.
What about too much and a little? Are they opposites?
Good question. They aren't exactly opposites, but they are on different sides. A little means a small amount. Too much means more than you need, more than is good for you.
So a little sugar is okay, but too much sugar isn't good.
Exactly. A little is positive. Too much and too many are negative. They mean there is a problem.
I see. That makes sense.
Our last quantifier for today is enough. Enough. E-N-O-U-G-H. Enough. It means the right amount, the amount you need, not too little, not too much.
Like the story of Goldilocks. Not too hot, not too cold, just right.
Yes, just like Goldilocks. And here's the best part. Enough works with both countable and uncountable nouns, just like a lot of.
Oh, nice. So I don't need to worry about countable or uncountable with enough.
No, you can say, I have enough money for lunch. Money is uncountable. And I have enough chairs for everyone. Chairs is countable.
Enough money, enough chairs, both work. Easy.
But pay attention to the negative. Not enough is very, very useful. It means you need more. Remember this morning, Jake?
Oh, right. I said I didn't eat enough for breakfast and I didn't have enough time to cook.
Yes, not enough tells us something is missing. I don't have enough time, there aren't enough seats, she doesn't have enough experience.
Let me try one. I don't have enough patience for cooking.
That is probably true, but your sentence is perfect.
And we have enough listeners to fill a stadium.
I love that sentence. Thank you, Jake. Listeners, did you hear that? Jake said you could fill a stadium. Now let me put everything together for you. With countable nouns, you can use a few, too many, a lot of, and enough. With uncountable nouns, you can use a little, too much, a lot of, and enough.
So, a lot of and enough work with both types. They're the easy ones. The pairs are a few with too many for countable and a little with too much for uncountable.
That is exactly right. You explained it perfectly. Now let's practice. I will say a sentence with a space, and you choose the right word. Ready?
Ready, let's do it.
I only have blank milk in the fridge. Is it a few or a little?
A little milk. Milk is uncountable.
That's right. Next one. There are blank cookies on the table. A few or a little?
A few cookies. Cookies are countable.
She ate blank chocolate last night. Too much or too many?
Too much chocolate. Chocolate is uncountable.
He has blank books in his room. Too much or too many?
Too many books. Books are countable.
We don't have blank time to finish. Which word fits?
We don't have enough time. Enough works with uncountable nouns.
And our last one. I bought blank oranges at the store. A few or a little?
A few oranges. Oranges are countable.
Perfect score. Every single one correct.
Thank you. I feel more confident now.
You should feel confident. Now, can I ask you some real questions about your life? Answer with a quantifier.
Sure, ask me anything.
How many friends do you have at work?
I have a few friends at work, maybe 4 or 5. We eat lunch together.
Do you drink a lot of water every day?
Sigh. No, I don't drink enough water. I mostly drink coffee.
Jake, you need more water.
I know. I always say tomorrow I will drink more water, but tomorrow never comes.
Well, today is a good day to start. How about your apartment? Do you have a lot of things?
Yes, I have too many things. Too many shoes, too many old magazines. I need to clean.
That is very honest. I think many people feel the same way.
How about you, Judy? Do you have too many things at home?
No, actually. I like to keep things simple. I have a few books, a few plants, and a little art on the walls. That is enough for me.
That sounds nice, simple, and clean.
Yes, sometimes a little is better than a lot. Okay, one more question. How much free time do you have on the weekend?
I have a little free time on Saturday morning, but not enough. I always have too many things to do.
That is very common. Too many things and not enough time.
Exactly. I need more hours in the day.
Well, you are using quantifiers perfectly right now. Every answer had a quantifier in it.
Really? I didn't notice. It just feels natural.
That is the goal. When it feels natural, you know it. Now, I want you to do something fun. Can you tell me a little story? Imagine you went to the supermarket yesterday. What happened? Use as many quantifiers as you can.
Okay, let me try. Yesterday, I went to the supermarket. I needed a few things for the week. I wanted a few eggs, a little butter, and a lot of vegetables.
Good start. Keep going.
But when I got there were too many people. The store was very crowded. I had to wait in a long line.
I can picture it.
I found enough eggs and enough butter, but there wasn't enough broccoli. Only 2 small pieces. So I bought a little spinach instead.
Very good. You used 5 different quantifiers already.
Wait, I have more. At the checkout, I looked at my basket. I had too many items. My bag was so heavy, and I spent too much money.
That sounds like every trip to the supermarket.
It really does. But now I have a lot of food for the whole week, so I think it is okay.
That was amazing, Jake. You used all 6 quantifiers in one story. A few, a little, a lot of, too many, too much, and enough. And it sounded completely natural.
Really? I didn't even think about it. I just told my story.
And that is the best way to learn. When you stop thinking about the rule, you just use the words. That means you truly understand.
That feels really good. I'm proud of myself.
You should be. You learned 6 new words today, and you can use all of them.
6 quantifiers, 1 episode. Not bad.
Not bad at all. And listeners, you can try this too. Think about your kitchen right now. What do you have a lot of? What do you have a few of? What don't you have enough of? Try saying it out loud. It's excellent practice. Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today, we talked about quantifiers, words that tell us how much or how many.
Yes, first we learned a lot of and enough. They work with both countable and uncountable nouns.
Good. And we learned a few for countable nouns and a little for uncountable nouns.
Then we learned too many for countable and too much for uncountable.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
I learned a lot today.
And I think our listeners learned a lot too. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was fun.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks
Give this episode a like.
and share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, what do you have a lot of at home, and what don't you have enough of? For example, I have a lot of books, but I don't have enough time to read them.
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.